As many of you have seen some of our videos, first and foremost, I'd like to welcome all computer-related majors from all universities across metropolitan Atlanta to our student internship program here at Universal IT Technologies. We provide instruction, hands-on learning experience, and a chance to experience IT in the real world. My company wants to provide everyone an opportunity to gain real-world experience so they can use their skills for their careers after graduation. Be prepared, we also have fun. Come join us at our learning community.